Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Next.js Bootstrap 5 Admin Pro free admin dashboard template. Fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We first see the admin bro, free admin dashboard template, Next.js and Bootstrap 5. See friends, here is the template look. For now, you will get only the home page, but this will set your basic demo. So just toggle sidebar, just brilliant. Advanced search works well. Day and night view, notifications, messages, mega menu toggle, country toggle, and user toggle as well. And guys, see the content section. See the beautiful chart, beautiful section, project of the month section, activity. See this operation, website visit. All the charts works well. To do list, and here's a beautiful sidebar scroll section. And guys, see the menu sub menu works well. So guys, have you seen? Just beautiful. And let me show you its responsiveness. Quite, it's fully responsive and will work for all the devices friends. Just brilliant. Wow, great. We see it's fully responsive. And friends, here's the code. Here's my Next.js project app folder inside. So guys, I have created two folders, component and pages. Inside components, I have added sidebar.js file, and inside pages, I have added home.js file. In home.js, you will see all this code, and sidebar, this is sidebar code as well. See, and all called in layout page as well. See. And friends, all the assets I have placed inside public folder, assets folder as well. And that called inside layout.js file as well. See. So guys, this is it, and don't worry, like always I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. Now friends, if you will still have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Please contact an advice page. This page you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. Guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me as well for your project as well. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.